Hello everybody, welcome to iExami. Embrace the iExami learning experience. NIC recruitment was announced a few days back and we have discussed various details of the exam in our previous videos. In this video, we'll be focusing on preparation strategy and study plan. The prelims examination is on 20th of July. So you have around 30-35 days, 5 weeks before prelims and another 5 to 6 weeks after your prelims for your mains. So in this preparation strategy and study plan, we'll be discussing what you can do in these timelines before your prelims, after your prelims, till your mains. If you want to know about the exam details, syllabus, exam pattern, previous year cutoff, previous year paper analysis, you can refer to my earlier videos on this LegalB YouTube channel. We'll proceed to the exam guide and study plan, and I'll be discussing the preparation strategy with you. Now there are two types of strategies which you can follow. The first strategy is if your law part is very strong or decently strong, you are prepared with 60-70% of your legal syllabus. In that case, for the 5 weeks before prelims, you can focus entirely on prelims plus your general awareness. So you can give 1 hour to your general awareness on a regular basis, and the remaining 6, 7, 8 hours, whichever time you are devoting to your studies, you can devote to your quant, reasoning, English preparation. Try to cover this in a way that your QRE is prepared both for prelims and mains before prelims. You have understood all the topics, and after your prelims, for your QRE, you are just practicing high-level questions. Along with quant, reasoning, English preparation, before prelims cover general awareness at least for the month of May, June, July, at least for 2 of these months. After your prelims, till your result comes, your focus should be on covering general awareness, revising general awareness, and insurance laws, the portion of legal which may not be covered yet for you. And once your result is out, once you know that your prelims exam has cleared, then you will divide your time in practicing high-level questions of QRE, covering up general awareness, revising the legal portion, attempting questions, and preparing for computer part. Along with that, practicing descriptive English paper as well. I know it's a lot of work and I know it feels overwhelming, but it is possible to clear this exam with decent and smart preparation in these upcoming 35-40 days. So if you are one student who is good in law, either you have prepared for judiciary or you have been preparing for other exams from the past 1 year, then you can use this strategy. Now coming to the second strategy, for which I have created this study plan as well. If you are a candidate whose legal portion is also decent, not too much strongly prepared, you are only 20-30% prepared and you need to revise everything, then in that case you may also have to take up some legal topics before prelims. Here definitely you will have to prepare the QRE part, some of the GA part, but you will be giving 2 hours, 1.5 to 2 hours on a daily basis to your law portion as well. I am assuming here that at least one of your reasoning or quant is strong. This study plan caters to selective topics of quant and all the topics of reasoning, plus practice of English and preparation of GA law topics. So on day 1, I have given you a reasoning topic. You have to cover general awareness, devote 1 hour on a daily basis to general awareness, and devote 1.5 to 2 hours to legal topic. You will be covering up computer and descriptive English after your prelims. So QRE, a little bit GA and a little bit law. You will be following this study plan for week 1. Reasoning topics are there, quant topics. You are practicing English on day 7 on Sunday, and you are covering up GA and legal topic on a daily basis. Same goes for week 2. You will be covering up other topics, and week 3 as well. Then from week 4 onwards, you will shift your focus to QRE. You may even skip the GA portion I have added in the plan. You may choose to read it after prelims and focus entirely on your QRE part for prelims. And once after week 5, we are expecting after 35 days on 20th July, you will have your prelims exam as is mentioned in the notification. Then you will focus on the practice of reasoning. You will be covering up general awareness. The legal topic has to be covered up, and the all legal topics which you have covered before prelims are to be revised. And then you also have to take up on certain days computer topic preparation, and descriptive English preparation can be kept for Sundays where you are revising and attempting mock tests. So in this way, you should go about your preparation. You can download the study plan, you can start your preparation. In case if you fall in any other kind of strategy, if your English portion is weak, or if you feel you need to do computer as well before your prelims, you can do that. You can modify the study plan on your own, or you can join our personalized courses, exclusive or Mega B courses, where we give you a catered study plan according to your need, a personalized exclusive study plan which fits to your needs and which can give a direction to your preparation. If you need any kind of preparation material for NICL exam or for any other upcoming exam, you can check out the various courses which iExamB is offering. You will get material in the form of videos, study notes, a lot of practice questions, full-length mock tests, live classes for doubt clarification. I am again mentioning, download the study plan from the description, know about what topics you have to study, understand the preparation strategy, create your own preparation strategy and start your preparation. Wish you all the best for your upcoming exam. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.